They said World War III was going to begin if the Russian nuclear submarine started a duality of suffering for no other reason than suffering. And I turned off my internet, and I remember my Uncle Bill, who fought in World War II, who would watch the TV and stare at the camera when the camera wouldn't let him sing Om Mani Om. Mani Padme Om. He was taller than a tree in Greenwood. More beautiful than Green Springs, Ohio. Before World War III began, in silence. A war they didn't have like World War II and World War I, but lasting only a few minutes during a shake, dance, and rock and roll video on YouTube in silence. Om Mani Om. Om Mani Om Aum Vajaru Adnasi. My friend Chuck and Olga, whose name was Orca, would tell me stories about the Pacific Ocean when they went to end suffering a long time ago in silence. And when they returned to Arizona, I remember the quiet and the calm. But I've never met a woman who I can't describe with language and mathematics. Similar than the wing-dome lady, I can only say in a few breaths how pretty she is aloud in silence. So I said to her friend and I said to her coworkers, you better keep that wing-dome lady away. She's going to start World War III with me, and I'm going to say, Namaste. Chuck made me a really pretty M1 before I left and said, when you're done in Washington State and need to retire, his dad's already gunsmithed my Vietnam era custom M1 in silence. But the wing-dome lady got too scared because she said, well, why doesn't it stop? And I said, well, you gotta push the other button. She said, well, why do I like her? And I said, I don't know. I'm schizophrenic staring at her. Who works at Wing Dome? The Wing Dome lady.